guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kailina if you guys are new here. Today I'm going to be doing this rainbow inspired look that I did recently, maybe like last week. I know I've been MIA and I say that in every single video. I promise you guys this time. I literally mean this. I have gotten so much of my studio equipment ready. I'm just missing a couple things, so you know, we're gonna be all good. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna be more consistent. And I know my hair is so frizzy, like you guys can see this. I forgot to brush my hair while it was still wet, so this is what came out. But you know what? We're okay. We're fine. We're cool. It's okay. Like, we're just gonna move on. And so if you guys are interested in this look, just keep on watching. So I already prepped and primed my face. So first we're gonna use Red Sea in the Certifeye palette, and You're Kidding in the James Charles X Morphe palette, and blend that in right here. I wouldn't say it's on the inner crease, because we are going to make a cut crease out of this later anyways, so it really like just does not even matter. Alright, so now I'm going in with Toucan and now we're gonna go ahead and go in with Toucan and S. Why do I keep saying S? I'm blind, it's 518. And go in with these orange colors and blend that in here. Ooh, look at that. I think that the James Charles palette is really good. I was hesitant to buy it at first only because I have the Morphe 35B palette, and to me it looked similar, but then I saw the palette tester in person at the Ulta store, and I was just like, you know what? The ingredients in this one I feel like are not very different, but like they're really good ingredients. So they're highly pigmented. I know a lot of Morphe palettes are pigmented, but not as good as this one. I don't know. We're gonna go ahead and use Social Blade, and we are just going to pack that right here. I'm kind of blending it just a little bit, like I'm kind of smoothing over the yellow. Just so we can get that nice blended effect and patting notes to get some. Guys, it's so hot. I am not even kidding. And my nose is running, and I probably have allergies because it's allergy season. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and go in with Coast from Certifeye. This blue shade right here. It's so pretty. You guys really need to try their palettes. It's so freaking pigmented. I feel like this eye I did a little bit better at, and then this eye I didn't. So now we're going to go ahead and do the fun part, which is cut creasing this bitch. And we are going to start off like not where the tear duct is. We're going to start off like right here. So now that it's kind of cut, we just want to make sure that we're putting concealer all over the lid now. You really want to try to blend it in, because with this concealer, at least for me, I know it gets a little bit blotchy, and like if it dries out and you don't blend it in all the way with all of the concealer, it's going to make your eyeshadow look weird, and like, I don't know, it'll just show like a dark, like your eyeshadow will look fine, but then there's going to be that one little like blotch that just looks like it's too light. Okay, so now I'm going to set the concealer with the James Charles palette in Flashback. And normally I don't always use Flashback to set my concealer. Sometimes I use different powders. I know I have a Kat Von D translucent powder. Alright, so we've got that going on, and now we're going to go in with Pinkity Drinkity from the James Charles palette, and we are just going to pack that in here. It's a really light pink shade, but it's really pretty. Oh my gosh, girl, I am so oily. I put so much moisturizer, guys. You guys have no freaking clue how much moisturizer I put on. Alright, so now that we've got the foundation on, we're going to go ahead and go back in that concealer and conceal this bad boy. Okay, so we're actually going to take the shade Firefish. So we're going to be putting that underneath our eyes, and basically I'm just going to be going underneath the waterline. So, I am actually just baking my face now. I already contoured my nose. Alright guys, so I low-key baked my face, low-key snatched the nose, and so now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Anastasia's So Hollywood Loose Highlighter. Your girl needs to invest in some mascara because I've been using this Chanel sample for like the longest time, but it works so good. So I think this one is the Chanel Noir 10, I'm guessing, number 10. So now that we have our mascara on, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put on our lashes. Today I'm going to be using the Fuego lashes from Milla Cosmetics online. And we're going to use the Ardell Duo Glue to put those on. Okay, so now that we have our lashes on, I'm going to go ahead and use my new Smashbox lip liner. I think this one's Nude Dark. And then I'll be using my new Too Faced Peach Lip Gloss in Papa Don't Peach. This is the final product. I did forget to show you guys that I put highlight on my cheekbone and my chin as well. Hopefully I'm going to be a little bit more consistent with you guys now that I have a new setup. I'm just missing a couple things, which is fine. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see other looks from me, feel free to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.